Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amit Amshalom, local Portland realtor here in the Portland, Oregon market. Today we're gonna talk about the market report of December 2025. We're gonna compare it to November 2025 and also to December, last year, the whole year, and we're gonna see how was the market in this year and where we're gonna be moving forward. And make sure to stay until the end so you can see also why right now this is one of the best opportunities for people in the real estate market right now. So make sure to stay till the end, and also don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment any questions that you have down below. And let's jump into it and get started. So starting to look at the new listings, new listing has decreased 5.9% from December 2024 and decreased 30.1% from new listing that listed in November of 2025. So obviously we see a big stop on the market, a lot of people holding off, holidays, New Year's, a lot of people waiting for springtime, and this is where the opportunity is coming in. So let's move forward to pending sales. Pending sales has decreased 6.9% from the offers as accepted in December of 2024, and they decreased 24.2% from the offers accepted in November of 2025. Again, a lot of people holding off because the holidays. Let's keep going. Closed sales has increased 6.5% from closed sales in December of 2024, and they increased 7.4% from closed sales in November of 2025. So we see a lot of people made offers in November, wanted to get in their new house before the new year, before the holiday, and closed in December, and they just keep to move forward. And I'm sure they got a really great deal because the timing of the year. So the inventory in time of market, inventory has decreased to 2.9 months on the market versus 3.8 in November. Now, why is that important and good for you as a home sellers? Your competition is basically went down by 30%, almost 30%, which is amazing for you as a seller. Buyers has less to choose from, and your house will more likely will sell faster for more money if it's presented right, and marketed right. Days on market has increased to 81 days. Again, we have a little bit less foot traffic these days. There's less buyers, but the buyers that are walking in your house are serious, ready to make a move to get into the next house. So now we're going to compare the year-to-date summary, comparing the 12 months of 2025, same period of 2024. New listing has increased 2.5%, pending sales increased 0.7%, and closed sales increased 1.4%. So for all of you people out there that saying the market slowed down, the market is not good, the market is this, the market is that, I don't know what you're talking about. I know it's like a little bit increase from last year, but the market is just keeping to improve from last year. So market is being good. People that want to move know what they're doing and they have a good strategy. Your house is gonna sell fast and for good money. So you need to have a good realtor, good strategy, and start to move forward. If we're comparing the average sell price, comparing 25 to 2024, through December, the average sell price has increased 0.6%, a little bit more than 0.5%, from 608,000 to 612,000. Also, average sell price is also keeping to go up. So guys, right now, there is a really great opportunity for you home sellers to get your property sold. And why is that? Inventory went down almost by 30%. Okay, I would say January, beginning of February, gonna be only your last opportunity before a lot of inventory gonna start to come into the market. Around March, April, a lot of home sellers starting to put the house on the market because springtime, your inventory going to be increased by a lot, and then you're gonna need to be much more aggressive on your sell price. Right now, your competition is very, very low. You have an opportunity to put your house on the market, maybe even sell it for more than even if you wait for springtime, because your competition is very low. It might take a little bit longer, maybe a few days, a week or two or so, to get your property sold, because there is a little bit less buyers right now, but everybody looking now is really serious. But you're more likely to sell your property now for more money versus if you waited for springtime, because you're gonna need to be much more aggressive. Thank you guys for watching this video until now. Make sure if you have any questions, comments, put them in the comments below here. Make sure also to like, subscribe for future videos. I post here regularly. And let me know also what you want to hear about on the next video. Thank you so much and Happy New Year. See you soon.